Good evening, student. It is the slot-wise comparison or discussion as per CAT 2020 exam concern. We can find it out that first part that is given here, which is nothing but BRC, LRDI, and QA. If you check it out in this case, that slot-wise questions in all the three segments, three slots, it is remaining same, 26, 24, and 26. Now, as for these slot-wise BRC, whenever we are going into this particular section, we can find it out that BA and BRC zone, it remained BA 8 questions in each cases. RC, it was 18 and total 24 questions it appeared. Now, let us get into the idea of the details as per this VA portion concerned. There are slot wise, it remains same. Summary questions, we can see that 3 questions it appeared in each cases. It is nothing but we can see 3 questions in each cases. It is summary based. Odd man out, it is more or less same. 3 2 3 like that it is happening. Parajumbles 2 3 like that. It is actually 8 number of questions in all cases it appeared. Now we are moving to this RC passage concern. In this case, in RC passage, we can see that slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3 comparison if I make. In slot 1, we have seen one thing that 2 passages appeared as a 5 number of questions. Wherever 5 number of questions, wherever in this case slot 2, it is 1 passage with 6 number and it remains same 1 passage with 6 number. The number of question concerned, these RC, it is 18 number of questions, it remains same, it is 18 in all of the cases. Now it is LRDI zone. In LRDI zone, we can find it out that number of questions, it remains same 24 and in our slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, everywhere, we have seen that 2 sets of 6 questions. It is more or less for all cases, we have seen that it remained difficult. In this case, we have seen one DI based combo graph, it is present. Here also the same thing it appeared, where students wanted to leave this question. 3 sets of 4 questions each, that was the major point, but in all cases of slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, the major requirement for students to get the success, it was the proper selection of questions. Now, here from the segment, if we are moving to the next one, QA zone, we can find it out that in QA zone, arithmetic, algebra, the number of questions, it more or less, it remains same. 8 questions in arithmetic, sometimes it is 9, it appeared. And algebra also 8 or 7. So basically, in all of the three slots, we have seen that arithmetic and algebra, number of questions, priority level, it was high. In geometry, it is not these are the proper one for students. Here, number of questions, it is in compared to other year, it is getting less. Importance level as per geometry segment is not that much high in this case. Number system, or sometimes it can be considered as a higher math part. The segment it is given, it remains same, more or less it remains same. So in the zone of quant, a student with a decent percentile of maybe not decent, I can say 99 percentile plus to get, it should be at around 13, 14, 15. That should be the number of questions, right? That means attempt as well as accuracy with maximum accuracy. If students go like that, it would be 99 percentile plus. Our comparison as per 3 slots, the number of attempt, or the marks. That would be our idea, that VARC at around 40 to 45 remain same, more or less 40 to 46, or slot 3 40 to 46. It remain more or less closer. DILR 30 to 35, maybe that in second slot it looks like that some responses we have received that it was tougher. In third slot also similar kind. However, at the zone of 30, it should be for 99 percentile plus. QA zone, more or less not that much tough, only lengthy part, and students, those who have done properly, it would be okay for them. So overall cut up, more or less 107, 110, these would be 99 percentile plus zone for all of you. This is our entire part of comparison of slot-wise analysis for CAT 2020. We will shortly we will come with some kinds of question-wise discussion. Please subscribe in our channel and try to find it out that what is the discussion forum of this part for your score or prediction of score as well.